Now that you've sort of gotten the lay of the land here in iBooks, we can start going through how to put together a book. I'm going to start by importing a word processing document from Pages. This is actually a script from our OS X Lion training course. It contains the first 11 lessons in the course. For this book, I can split these up as chapters or sections. This Pages document is named Desktop and Finder. So let's go into iBooks Author and try to import this. Currently I have the basic template open with a chapter, section, and page containing filler text. I'll go into the Insert menu and choose Chapter from Pages or Word document. I'll locate the file and click Insert. I can choose to add this to any layout available for this template. I'll add it as a chapter. If you have set text styles in Pages or Word that you want to keep in iBooks, make sure this box is checked. Click Choose and the document is imported and added after my initial chapter. So everything is here, but it was all placed into a single chapter. If you want iBooks Author to import a document into separate chapters or sections, we need to first add section breaks to the Pages document. So I'm back in Pages, and what I'm going to do now is just place my cursor in front of each heading that I want to be its own chapter or section, and go to Insert, Section Break. Now with that completed and saved, I can import this again into iBooks Author. I saved it as a separate Pages document called Desktop and Finder Chap that has the section breaks saved. I'll choose to import these as chapters. And now after Chapter 1 I get 11 more new chapters. I can right-click on this first chapter with just the filler text and delete it. The chapters didn't come in named, so I'll need to add those to the chapter title pages. There is also filler text on each title page that I can replace with my own text, or maybe I don't need a summary, and later on we can set up a layout without the summary text here at all. I could also import these chapters as sections of a chapter. So I'm going to go back to the original basic template and import my Pages document again. This time I'm going to bring it in as a section text layout. This should import each section break as its own section, without the blue box at the start of each section. Now there are 12 sections in this chapter. I'll delete the first filler section. Now I'll name the first chapter Desktop and Finder. And for the section titles, I can just copy and paste the section name in from the text headings. I'm going to add a couple more chapters and several more sections within each to this book in the same way I've added these. I'll skip ahead to the completed import of what will be the vast majority of the text in this book. At this point, I've imported the rest of my Pages documents into my book which now has 4 chapters and a total of 44 pages. The sections in each chapter represent the section breaks that were set in pages. When importing these, I first created a new chapter, and then imported the pages documents as sections into the new chapter. If I take a look in the inspector, I can see that this book now contains over 21,900 words and 44 pages. In the next lesson, we'll go over adding extra areas of text and editing the text already in the book.